Mauro Desenhastel, and I am a leading 3D architect from Brazil. I have more than 10 years experience in the field of effects. I was contacted by Wihu to show my workflow, to do a tutorial, show the workflow, and that's what I do. This is a complete tutorial that you learn from beginning doing concept sculpting inside Zbrush, following by do a clean topology using the topology tools in Maya, and also some tricks in Zbrush to make the mesh that will be rendered in Maya. I also show you how to do the UVs and texture using substance painter in Maya. In Maya I will show how to project the XYZ texturing, the displacement maps from XYZ texture, following by hair and fur using Xgen inside Maya, and finally I will show how to do a lighting setup in Maya in the final render using Arnold. There's a lot to learn in this tutorial, and I hope you find it useful. So good luck.